Something unexpected might be brewing at Insta360. And no, it's not the gopher we've all been waiting for. Instead, a surprising new leak has surfaced about a potential new entry, the Insta360 GO 4s. And this little device is already creating serious buzz across the camera community. Unlike a small spec bump or minor refresh, this seems like a meaningful evolution in the GO series. We're talking about serious upgrades packed into the same tiny frame. A larger lens, new design tweaks, and even rumors of a built-in flash, all while keeping that magnetic ultra-portable form. Could this be Insta360's smartest move yet? Here on Technify, we're diving into what this leak tells us. From lens upgrades to unexpected features, the GO 4s could be the biggest little upgrade in action cameras this year. If you're into compact power, this might be the microcam to watch. Let's break it down. First impressions from the leaked image show that the GO 4s keeps true to the compact roots of the GO line. It's still small, sleek, and magnetic, perfect for hats, collars, or any creative angle. But it's the subtle changes that tell a bigger story. The lens is the most noticeable difference. It looks bigger than what we saw on the GO 3s. That might mean a physically larger sensor or improved optics, or maybe both. Either way, it hints at better image sharpness, more detail, and enhanced low-light performance. For a device this small, that's a huge leap. If you're shooting in complex lighting or aiming for a cinematic look, this lens could really deliver. Just below the lens, the familiar thin LED strip returns, likely still serving as the recording indicator. Next to that, there's a button that's probably the quick capture trigger. Nothing surprising there. But what is surprising are the two small cutouts beneath the lens. This has sparked a lot of speculation. Some believe the second cutout could be a built-in flash, something totally new for the GO series. And honestly, it makes sense. Many creators struggle with low light shooting or need better illumination in tight spaces. A built-in flash would be a smart response to those real-world needs. Imagine vlogging at night, capturing quick indoor shots, or illuminating your subject in darker settings. It would all be much easier with a flash built in. On top of visuals, audio might also get a boost. The GO 3s already improved mic clarity over the GO 3. Now, if the GO 4s brings better wind noise handling and overall mic quality, it could produce sound that rivals much larger cameras. Considering this thing fits in your pocket, that's impressive. What's interesting is the name itself. GO 4s. Not GO 4. That S might mean this isn't a full generational leap, but rather a strategic mid-step. Maybe Insta360 is testing new hardware features before launching a fully revamped model. And that would make sense. The company is known for reacting quickly to user feedback and refining products fast. The GO 4s could be a focused response to creator demands, not a reinvention, but a smart refinement. Users have been asking for better clarity, improved color accuracy, stronger stabilization, and more dependable audio. From what we can see, the GO 4s might deliver on all those fronts without losing its simple charm. It's a focused upgrade. A better lens, more usable sound, possible flash, and all while keeping the body slim and intuitive. This isn't about adding gimmicks. It's about making real-world improvements where they matter. If you're a creator who needs to move fast, shoot anywhere, and trust your gear, this might be the most practical microcam upgrade in a long time. So, is the Insta360 GO 4s the big little surprise of the year? From what we're seeing in the leaks, it just might be. Better visuals, more practical features, and smarter hardware, all wrapped in the same tiny shell creators already love. Whether this is a bridge to the GO 4 or a standout device of its own, it's clear Insta360 is paying attention to what users want. And they're delivering it in stealthy, compact form. At Technify, we're always watching the horizon for the next leap in creative tools. And the GO 4s could easily be one of those under-the-radar releases that ends up being a favorite. As always, we'll keep you updated the moment official news drops, and if this model is real, we expect an announcement sooner rather than later. What do you think? Does the GO 4s sound like the upgrade the micro-action cam world needed? Drop your thoughts below. And if you're hyped for what's next, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay tuned with Technify, where we break down the future of cameras, gear, and the tools that power your creativity.